So this is a very rare appearance, a Travelmasters E500 on replacement. It's actually crazy, like, I've never seen this E500 on replacement before. I think it's the first time, as it's normally their Gemini 2s and their MMCs. Wow. Yeah, as this particular bus normally does the school contracts between Sheerness, Snipes Hill, etc. So being on this is actually like a one-off. I don't think it will ever happen again. Yeah, as you can tell by the interior, it's ex-Dublin bus, still in pristine condition, as it's never used, only for like school contracts, so gives plenty of time for it to be cleaned, maintained, etc. That's First Bus Stop Limited. LX09 FCA. There's BJ11 DVC. There's quite a lot of buses out. But I think this has got to be the star of the show. Star of today, definitely. I don't know how this will cope along the tight roads, because I know that certain areas between Slade Green and here have like tight corners, and this is a tri-axle bus. And the school contracts actually closed the door, so members of the public aren't allowed on. So this is the only time you get to go in this bus in regular service, basically, if you're very lucky. But yeah, I love being on these E500s. It's like I'm in Dublin. upstairs is completely chock-a-block. Like literally every seat is like vacant. So yeah, it's quite a popular bus.